Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play or how you can challenge the Italian club theme event in eFootball 2024. So we are going to play as a Serie A club against Serie A club. Thank you for watching. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing. How you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission or objective so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the dream team and then tap the events here. As you can see, there are some event here. Let's tap this. Try to search Italian club theme event. Tap the information detail first. Earn eFootball coin skill training program and more by playing PvP matches. So you are going to player versus player and completing challenge. Complete all the challenge to receive amazing reward. So let's get tap the enter, and we are going to play or choose your team for this event. You will be able to change or choose them during the event. So this is Serie A team. Here, try to search your favorite team in here. For example, this Piemonte, it's not a real name. The real name is Juventus. Also Torino Also the real name is Torino. Please tap the AC Milan, or maybe you are Lazio, fans of Lazio or AS Roma. I'm going to choose AC Milan. Tap to enter. And for win maximum number of matches 3, and you are going to unlock the second one. Tap the first one, and you got this player from AC Milan. Tap the game plan first. So you are going to play as AC Milan, our club from AC Milan, and you can make a tactic first or the game plan first before we are going to the match. Here our real player from Dream Team player, you can edit also, and if you're done you can tap to the match. So this game is searching the opponent for you. Make sure your connection is good or excellent. If you're not got the player or got the opponent, this game will still searching or will terminate your connection. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.